Kim Kardashian is spiraling right now, and it's all because her daughter North apparently prefers Kanye's wife Bianca over her.
All the things she's saying about me behind my back, and she's seeing all the things I'm saying about her behind her back.
North West was recently spotted on another trip with Kanye and Bianca, and insiders are saying North loves that Bianca is much cooler than Kim. As for Kim, she's allegedly still not over the fact that Kanye has moved on and stopped trying to win her back. So now that North is also getting tired of her, Kim is a total mess. According to sources close to Kim, she's putting on a brave face for the public. However, she's never felt more miserable. However, it looks like fans don't have a lot of sympathy for Kim, and they're saying everything she's going through right now is her karma. But what exactly did Kim say about North choosing Bianca over her? Let's get into it.
It gets really tricky and it gets really emotional.
Kim Kardashian's flaw era continues. Not only is Kim getting exposed for being jealous of her sister Kourtney's happiness, but she's also reportedly struggling to find someone who wants to date her.
Who's ever gonna want to date me? I have 4 kids, I'm in my 40s, oh my God, who's gonna want to deal with the drums?
And on top of this, we're now hearing that Kim's oldest child, North, is getting tired of her, and she wants to spend more time with her dad, Kanye, and his wife, Bianca Censori. When Kanye and Bianca's marriage was first revealed earlier this year, a source close to Kim told Page 6 that Kim's family isn't taking this as a marriage yet, and they are waiting to see if he files for papers. The source also added that Kim is nervous because if it's real, Bianca would be in the children's lives. While the marriage is definitely real, and not only is Bianca in the kids' lives, but she's apparently developed a super close bond with North. Kanye, Bianca, and North were first spotted together in public back in January when they were seen entering a restaurant in Malibu. And initially, Kardashian sources tried to paint Kanye as irresponsible for introducing North to Bianca, claiming that Kim is worried because she doesn't know who Bianca is. However, this was proven false as Bianca has worked at Yeezy for several years, and North apparently met her a while ago. Besides that, most fans said there's nothing wrong with North spending time with Bianca because she's Kanye's wife and not just some fling. After Kim and Kanye divorced, Kanye was linked to several women. However, he never introduced any of them to his kids. So the fact that he's letting North hang out with Bianca means he's serious about her and their relationship. Now, as for Kim, she really has no room to talk because she literally allowed her boyfriend Pete Davidson to tattoo her kids' initials on his neck. And she even let Pete drive with North sitting on his lap. However, what apparently sent Kim over the edge is seeing how much North genuinely enjoys spending time with Bianca. A few weeks ago, Kanye celebrated his 46th birthday in LA, and North was seen arriving at the party holding Bianca's hand. Inside the venue, North stayed close to Bianca the whole night, and several videos from the party showed her having a lot of fun with Ye and Bianca. One video showed Bianca looking on as North filmed Kanye rapping his song Off the Grid, and Kanye is apparently planning to use the footage in the upcoming music video. And then a couple of weeks later, Kanye, Bianca, and North jetted off to Japan, and they were seen